This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York PM session. Today is July 22nd, 2025. I am currently watching Bitcoin for a potential short position here. I'll walk you through what I have set up here up here on the 5-minute. So here on the 5-minute, I've got a bearish fair value gap formation. So I've got at least 3 buy-side delivery candles here, 4, and at least 2 sell-side delivery candles here, and then there are 5. And then I need a market structure shift, which this was the structural low here, and then this candle, the market structure shift comes in. Also with this pattern here, there is a fair value gap right here in this candle here. So I'm seeing the fair value gap formation, the buy-side delivery, or the bearish fair value gap, the buy-side delivery, the sell-side delivery, coupled with the fair value gap, and then the market structure shift here. So these are the things that I want to see in this position. Also down here on the 15-minute chart, right now price is currently in a bullish trend here, so I want to trade against it. So this is a short trade, so this would be valid here on the 15-minute. In addition, I want to aim for a target that's going to be near equilibrium here, and that target would be this fair value gap here for a rebalance. Right now I'm waiting for price to pull back into this fair value gap here for an entry. Right now price has just broken out below these 2 levels here, these 2 equal bottoms here, and I would anticipate price now to pull back potentially to this fair value gap, and then to potentially sell down to target, and to potentially sweep this sell side liquidity here. But my target is going to be the rebalance of this fair value gap if an entry presents itself. And again, that is, I chose that target, because it is the nearest fair value gap here to equilibrium or beyond here on my overall dealing range currently, which is displayed down here on the 15-minute, with price being at 118.911 being the equilibrium price, and let's see. So this is pretty close to 118.911, and I want to target something on the other side of the equilibrium. So this would make a appropriate target with currently price trading in an area of premium, and this here being an area of discount. So I want to sell in an area of premium and cover that sell down here in an area of discount, which this trade would allow me to do just below equilibrium here at the high of this candle here, which is the low end of this fair value gap. And this is all contingent on price pulling back into the fair value gap that's located right here in this candle. I've got my entry set for the high of this candle. So this candle here, the high is 119,651.1. You can see here my entry price is 119,651.2. So just inside the fair value gap. This is my order. I wasn't trying to pull it up. When I don't try to pull it up, it comes up, and when I try to pull it up, I can't get it to come up. Very interesting here. But yeah, this is my limit order entry. My stop loss is 119,923.1. So just above the swing high here of the fair value gap series of candles here. So 10-cent spread on Bitcoin, so I gave it a 20-cent stop loss above this candle. And again, profit target down here 118,739.6 being the high of this candle that forms the low of this fair value gap here. And then if this trade were to work out, I think this trade is about a 3.75 to 1 reward to risk ratio. on this position if I'm able to get an entry and if profit target is reached. But currently right now standing by to see if there's any pullback to my entry price, which price would have to pull back and be delivered above the market structure shift. So price currently at a dead stop here, just under the 119,500 level at 119,499.9, and now buy side delivery, price trading near 119,520. Further buy side delivery here, price still trading near the 119,520 level at 119,526.9, and price holding here. And more buy side delivery, price approaching the 119,550 level, and price testing a new 5-minute high, the previous 5-minute high being 119,549.8. So 30 cents away from the previous 5-minute candle high. Price frozen in time here, 119,549.5, just below the 119,550 level. And now price is delivered to the buy side. Price now trading just above 119,550 at 119,561.3. And price has put in a new 5-minute high. And price is consolidating here at the 119,550 level. So for this fair value gap formation, it's been, I've definitely seen days in my back testing where it will present itself it'll present itself 3 times a day, or other times that I'm seeing now, it's presenting itself less frequently. So definitely some ebbing and flowing here on the formation, but it definitely happens every day. So far, I believe I've seen it at least twice a day, sometimes twice within the same session, but at least twice a day, if not more. I've seen this formation in Bitcoin on a daily basis through my back testing and through forward trading since my initial back testing. And now just starting to track some data starting this week, now that I've dialed in how I want to trade this particular formation. There's still some leeway or some wiggle room in taking entries, whether or not I'm taking it at the fair value gap, near edge, or the far edge, based on risk to reward, or at the order block, or the order block, let's say the last candle before the change in direction, or the series of candles before the change of direction. So that's probably the only trade criteria that isn't set in stone, because every trade is going to set up a bit different. But having a pretty set, or at least not having any, not having much or any at all discretion besides that. So sticking to the pattern and wanting to see the pattern in a particular sequence. For example, the fair value gap formation with the let's say the order block forming candle series, and then the market structure shift candle forming series. So in whichever direction, the first direction is going to set the order block, which in this case it's a bearish fair value gap formation, so there's going to be buy side delivery or bullish pattern going into it that sets this order block. And then in the second leg of the formation, wanting to see price delivered to the opposite direction, and form and create a market structure shift, all in the same movement. So with this being the case here, seeing these sell side deliveries into a market structure shift. So this is what I want to see out of this formation, basically seeing these three things, seeing the buy side delivery, sell side delivery, fair value gap formed, and market structure shift taking place. So now all I would need would be pullback, but pullback may come, it may not come, but there's no wiggle room or no discretion on trading on that particular point. Price will need to trade back into the fair value gap. And price still trading here below this breakout level, and just below the market structure shift. And getting sell side delivery here in this 5-minute candle, and sell side delivery overall here for the last 45 minutes down here on the 15-minute candle. So I would imagine we would be due for some pullback here at some point, but that pullback has yet to come. Price action has been a bit on the slow side today, to say the least. And price here trading at 119,480 level here. Whatever's going to happen here is likely going to take some time, if at all. I have about an hour and 15 minutes left in my trading window. If price pulls back within that time span, then I'll be in the position. If price fails to pull back by then, or let's say breaks out below this level, sweeping out sell side here, or sell side liquidity, then I'll take the position off. So as long as this sell side liquidity is untapped here, then I'll hold the position for potential pullback to an entry. But we'll see how this price action goes coming forward here. There's a fair value gap here. I'll put it in, but it's not a target for me, as it's on this side of equilibrium. But yeah, there is a fair value gap there. But things are moving like mud this afternoon, and like today overall, it seemed, minus the sell-off that happened during the AM session that did not give me a setup. And then so far today, London set up this morning for a long, but that long failed, and then set up again after the trade window, and went in the trade direction. But I did not trade the London Open this morning. and then New York in the AM, no setup presented itself for me, so I did not take a trade during the AM session. I just stood by as price was delivered in every which way except for a fair value gap formation. Now getting some more buy side, or getting a return to buy side delivery here. Price coming up to test the previous 5-minute high. Previous 5-minute high 119,541.5, and now Bitcoin has put in a new 5-minute high. Price also trading and testing the market structure shift level, and that level was put in here in this candle, and that level was closed below and confirmed market structure shift here at this level. Price trading again near the 119,550 level. Price struggled to get above this level previously, but has now broken out above the previous buy side delivery candle. So we'll see if price will continue to be delivered to the buy side and can be delivered above this market structure shift level into the fair value gap. Price reacting here near this market structure shift level. And then you can see where price was reacting here at this fair value gap here in these two candles here. And price still frozen in time here. And now we get some sell side delivery here. Price trading from 119,550 to 119,520. So price just consolidating here in a very narrow range. You can see this just consolidating here in a very narrow range since putting in this fair value gap formation. So Bitcoin not delivering a clear direction at this time, and consolidating here around the 119,500 level currently. Well, whatever is going to happen here, it will take some time, so this will do it for what I have today. If all goes well, I will find myself in a position that will go to profit. If not, maybe there will not be a position, or I may get stopped out, who knows. But we'll see one way or the other. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy, the New York PM session. We'll see.